In a world that never stops talking, in a world that tries to control your every emotion, there is a superpower. It is not the power to change the world, but the power to change how you react to it. This is Stoicism. Today we dive deep into the 10 rules that will make your mind unshakable. Rule 1. Control what is yours. The most important rule in Stoicism is the dichotomy of control. You cannot control the weather, the economy, or what people say about you. You can only control your own thoughts and actions. Stop wasting energy on things outside your circle. Rule 2. Amor, Fati, love your fate. Don't just accept what happens, love it. Every obstacle is an opportunity to
This
grow.
teaches you that you
If
don't
life
need
gives you a
luxury
storm,
to be happy.
learn to dance in the rain. Every challenge is fuel for your inner fire. Rule 3. Practice poverty. Once in a while, live as if you have nothing. When you lose the fear of losing things, you become truly free. Rule 4. Speak less, listen more. Stoics believe that we have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason. Silence is strength. Words can be weak. Let your actions do the talking. Rule 5. Premeditation of evils. Expect the worst. Not to be negative, but to be prepared. When you have already faced the disaster in your mind, the reality cannot break you. Rule 6. The obstacle is the way. What stands in the way becomes the way. Every barrier is a path to a new version of yourself. Don't avoid the hard things. Run towards them. Rule 7. Be ruthless with your time. We protect our money, but we give away our time to anyone. Remember, time is the only thing you can never get back. Spend it on what matters. Rule 8. Stop seeking approval. If you care about what others think, you are their prisoner. A Stoic finds validation from within, not from the applause of the crowd. Rule 9. Memento Mori. Remember death. You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think. This isn't scary. It's a reminder to live fully right now. Rule 10. At the end of the day, your reputation doesn't matter. Be a good person, even when no one is watching. The path of the Stoic is not easy, but it is the only path to true peace. If you found value in this, stay disciplined. Stay Stoic. Subscribe for more wisdom on building an unbeatable mind.